Hi from Denmark. We are also the Danes and I'm here with another video. Today is a very nice summer day and I have some fresh picked strawberries. So I'm going to make a Danish delight dish. So stay tuned and see how it's going to be easy peasy. For this we are going to use some fresh picked strawberries, picked this morning, local of course, and then vanilla cream and some whipped cream and milk and of course a little sugar. So of course I have washed the strawberries. Now I'm going to cut the green ends off. So this. And I'm going of course to cut into smaller pieces. And the ones with stains on, of course, goes out. And then I'm going to sprinkle some sugar on to make them a little more sweet, as we Danes like. Finally, we pour some milk on and then cream. And if you are like us, also the Danes, we like some vanilla sauce. As you can see, easy peasy. Here you are, my love.
Wow, strawberry delight!
Yay!
I'm looking forward to tasting this.
Yes. Me too. Cheers. Skål.
Wow. Tastes like summer.
Danish summer.
Until next time.
Yes, bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
So the final countdown. Hello from warm day, and we're you know, or you don't know, in Denmark strawberries are gold. So finally I'm going to drizzle some sugar on the strawberries to make them, well, a bit more sweet.